Welcome to Fiarl. In this video, we will show you how to upload single products in a simple way. Log into your panel, go to products, list new products, simplify single product listing. At the top, you can see the listing progress steps, which includes general image, features, variations, packaging info, and review and approval. The next message, which is in green, product data is enhanced by PIM. That means we use various AI tools which helps in improving the data accuracy and consistency. Now the next step is select the main category. Here you need to select the category of the product you would be uploading. Now let's take an example to upload cushion covers. Let's go to home and garden, home furnishing, and cushion covers. Next, enter the product name followed by the SKU number. So the product name, SKU number, vendor price, in stock. This has to be more than 5. And then the next is HSN code. Here you can search either with the help of a code or with the name. So let's search with the name cushion covers. Choose. So once this data is complete, you need to click on next. This will take you to the next step of uploading images. Here you can select the images. You can select multiple images here, and once your images are selected, click on save. Now your images are uploaded. Now let's go to the next step, update features. Now here, if you note, you can select the feature groups that truly applies to your product. Now yours is cushion cover, so you got only one option. So you can choose here and you can find the options for updating the features for cushion covers. Care instructions, you can choose whatever is applicable for your product. Ensure you update features properly because that helps in customers to choose the right product. Primary color, and then click on next. After the features, the next step is to add the variations. Here you can find a checkbox which mentions variations are not applicable for the product. If your product doesn't have variations, you need to click on this. If your products have variation, you are not supposed to click on this, and you need to start adding the variations. Click on add variant. Here you can add variant in different options like color or size map. Either you can make color as your variant or the size map. Now let's make it as a size map, and then after that, click here. You can see the option, as we created only one variation, it is showing create one variation. So click on that. So your variation would be created here. Here you can also make color as your variation. You can choose multiple colors, like if the same cushion is available in different colors, you can choose color as your variation point. So here the variations are also added. So then click on next. This will take you to packaging info. Here this data is very much important. So ensure this data is proper and correct. Now here you can see item per box. Now if it is a set of 2, the item per box becomes 2. Weight of the box unit. This packaging info means the final packed product in which you're going to pack the cushion covers. Like for example, the product here is cushion cover. This should be the details for the final courier. So we add the items per box, length of the box, width and height. So let's add the size of the box. Let's say it is 10 centimeter. Now here you can find two options and also a checkbox here. Packaging info is same for all the variations. If the packaging info is same for all the variations, you can click here. So you will find only one option. If the packaging info is different for different variations, then you will be seeing the different options here. So let's click packaging info is same for all the variations and the main product. So once this is done, you need to click on next. So we come to the final step, that is review and request for approval. Here first we need to review the product, name, vendor code, vendor price, what has been entered, product quantity, HSN code, images, features, variations. So this can be checked before sending it for approval. So once you check all the details, you need to click on request for approval. So this will be sent for approval. Our admin will check the details and then the product would be approved. So here you can see the products that has been uploaded, the cushion covers. So once all the verification is done, we would be approving your product. So this is a simple way to upload single products at a time with their variations. If you have any queries related to this, you can write to us at sellers@frl.com. Thank you.